Good afternoon. I'm Paul Buckshon with Southern States Machinery, coming to you from our showroom in Mooresville, North Carolina. Here today I wanted to introduce you to the Bentech Dragon A400 pipe and tube plasma cutting system. If you process any of these types of materials, whether they be square or round up to 6 inches, square up to 4 inches, angle and channel up to 4 inches, weight capacity up to 400 pounds, material wall thickness up to 5/8 of an inch, this machine may be for you. The machine comes in 2 lengths, 12-foot and 24-foot capacity. And what you have here is a chuck on the end with a 2-inch center that you can feed through. And you would chuck up your material. We have a center support that lifts and rotates out of the way as the chuck comes through to aid your operator in loading material, but then supporting the material as it comes through the cutting chuck here, which we call the front plate. What you have here is a gear-driven system to rotate the tube or pipe. You have a manual chuck that you would lock the jaws in place, likewise in the back. You have ball screw drive here to run whichever station you are functioning with, and those would be a marking station, an engraving station, of course the plasma cutting torch station, and a laser indicator light where you can get a reference orientation. The machine does have option to cut angle and channel, and also has a coolant tray, which is not shown here, but it would be a tray if you're going to process with flood coolant, which is typically done in aluminum and sometimes in stainless, and especially for smaller 1-inch profiles you would want to use the coolant tray. So if you process tube or pipe now and you're using a saw, you're punching holes, you're drilling profiles, you're hand laying out and marking, you can do all of those operations in one step on this machine. If we can look at any parts for you or cut parts for you at any time, feel free to give us a call or email us. We welcome your visit here at our showroom in Mooresville. Thank you for your time.